our lives unglued. You say you're the one for me. I never thought to see, 'cause I know where to go. 'Cause
kayo pang ano, dalan. Yan na lang balik naman ko lang business.
Ano marigat? Ano marigat? Explain this please.
I know the road is long, 'cause I know where to go. 'Cause
So anong masasabi mo?
New toy, guys.
Okay, this is it.
Balik na gito naman.
Ako back out. Hindi na ako piling back out. Ang mahal. After weeks of waiting, I finally got my hands on my first ever racket. It is Feather TJ Power. Ito yung nirecommend ng mga kaibigan ko. Actually, they've been trying to invite me to play badminton ever since first year. At ngayon lang ako nabudol. Why not give it a try? The string na binili ko is actually recommended by my friend. Also, it is BG65 titanium. It is good for durability. May tension to na 26 pounds. Naka 4 knots. So, yung grip niya is still a stock. My friend is giving me a free towel grip. What's up guys? So, mag-attend ako ng review ngayon sa Himamaylan. So, mag-travel ako by sana by jeep ka. So, ihahatid ako ng papa ko. Let's go!
Tingin to nga nyo, ikaw lang makan.
Tumami?
Dali na. Nakadalawang bagsak. Kaya Jay, kapila ka na.
Isa pa lang.
Isa pa lang ako, dawa na. Looks shit.